If you want to invest in gold right now, let me tell you how to maximize your ROI, which means no GST, lowest commission, and the exact gold price for today. Now, most people understand that the best way to invest in gold is through a gold ETF. But which ETF should you pick and how do you go about doing it? Well, firstly, an ETF or an exchange traded fund tracks the price of gold exactly as per today. There is no GST, no making charges. It rests almost like shares in your Demat account and you can sell it whenever. But how do you invest in it and which ETF do you pick? So log into your Demat account and search for gold ETF. You will see a number of options like Aditya Birla Sun Life, Axis, HDFC, SBI, Motilal Oswal, and a number of them. Which one do you pick? You essentially compare them on two metrics. The first metric is the expense ratio or the commission that they will charge. You ideally want to go for an option which is the lowest. Now, for most of these ETFs, the expense ratio is between 0.2% to 0.5%. Out of all that I evaluated, the lowest expense ratio was actually being charged by Mirae Gold ETF as well as Motilal Oswal. The second metric that you compare them to is actually the tracking error, or how accurate is the price of gold. You want one where the tracking error is the lowest. So out of all that I compared, I found that Quantum Gold ETF as well as UTI had the lowest tracking error. However, remember that these ratios change with time and you should pick the one when you are investing. Don't go by my word, do your own homework and share it with someone who may need it.